Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Relapse Tackle. In this video I'm going to show you how to get rid of those hinges that are really stiff. We're going to make it so that they open up real smooth. So this can be done with old molds. These ones are extremely old. You can tell by the blue. They used to do different colored handles, and that would show what price category those molds were in. So if they're orange, blue, green, red. I'll see if I can grab my catalog before the end of the video and show you all kind of what the old pricing and stuff was. So this one, real loose. This one, you hear it? Really stiff. So this torch is going to be a little loud. So what we're going to do is we're going to heat this up. Use your gloves. So less likely to burn yourself. We'll heat this up real good. And then after this is done, you might want to do it occasionally. You'll notice when they start getting stiff again. But as I heat them up, they usually get looser, because what we're going to do is we're going to take an unscented candle and we're just going to scrape it right in there into the handle, or into the hinge, and then get it hot, and that'll wick right in there. So it's melting right into it. So this is kind of like a self-lubricating hinge now. As it heats up again, it's going to keep heating that wax. You can use beeswax, you use unscented candle. This stuff won't hurt the mold at all. So I just put a decent amount in there. Let it just keep wicking into it. Get this side too. Sorry to make a little bit of a mess. I don't have to clean it up. You'll have to clean it up. So this is just a quick tip for anybody that has hinged molds. They don't have to be do-it molds. They can be any type of mold. Just get some wax in them. And nice and loose now. Just keep moving them back and forth. Put a little heat into it. If there's a little bit of wax on the outside of the mold and you want to get it off while it's still warm, get it warm, and then just wipe it off with a paper towel. There's still a little bit of a sticky spot in this one, and it might take a little time. This has probably never been lubricated. I just got this mold not too long ago, and it was used. And you can just take it when it's hot and press it up against there and really get it to wick in. So, I'm going to heat it on the bottom side here. It'll melt on the top side, and you know it's really good. Shut this off. So, and like I said, when I put it on top of the wheat pot, that'll also heat up, and then as the mold gets hot, when you're getting ready to pour, it'll heat up as well, and then the hinge will get loose again. Even when this is cool though, it'll be a lot looser than it was previously. So, little quick tip. Thanks for watching. Share the video with your friends. Please subscribe. Watch out for more videos. Thank you. Alright, so this is the booklet that you get now. It has a lot of information in it. But the old catalog looked like this. And that had all of your different, come on, just focus on the, so it had all of the different price categories. So the blue, orange, let's see here, blue, orange, red. There's some red ones. So depending on what mold it was, they had different handles so that it would make it easier for them to know what pricing was. And now they're all black. So if you see old molds around, they have all different colored handles. So like your orange, I don't have any of the red ones, but so anyway, thanks again for watching.